So what you can also do inside of Notion is go ahead and insert out an HTML block and import out HTML contents. So to go ahead and do that, over here you can press slash on your keyboard and then type in HTML. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that HTML is an option. And once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it opens up the Explorer window right here. And now you can navigate to the HTML file that you want to import. In my case, I have this HTML sample file right here, which I'm going to go ahead and open right here just like this. And once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it is imported. So now you can see that this is the file that you have right here. And if I were to go ahead and then click on this, then you can see that these are the contents of HTML right here. So it didn't actually go ahead and bring in all of the formattings right here, but it imported out the contents of the HTML file successfully, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the HTML block inside of your Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.